Welcome to Cambodian School. Today we are learning lesson 15 from Siev Pheuv Rien An textbook by Setharin. Lesson 15 in Khmer we say Merian Tidapram. It is on page 18. In this lesson we are learning the next sets of vowels. They are srak and srak. And we are learning to combine these vowels with the consonant that we have learned so far. Before we begin reading these words and phrases, please note of this row here, okay, located inside these parentheses. Please ignore them. They are silent. They're here just to represent the word behind them, okay. And also note of this character here. This is bhaw, bhaw, okay. If you can recall from lesson 14, when bhaw is added with the vowels or other vowels that has a component look just like bhaw change its shape to look like this. Okay, this is the reason why bhaw is written this way. Okay, so now let's read these words and phrases by first saying the consonant, the vowels, and then the word. Okay, let's say it together. Khaw srak khaw, khaw srak khaw, thaw srak thaw, chaw srak chaw, chaw srak chaw. Thaw srak thaw, khaw srak khaw, thaw srak thaw, daw srak daw, bhaw srak bhaw, phaw srak phaw, chaw srak chaw. Okay, for these phrases we're going to sound each word and then we're going to read the phrase again. Okay, here we go. So thaw srak ta, thaw srak thai, chaw srak chaw. So ta thai chaw, which means grandfather takes care of grandchild. Okay, so this phrase, chaw srak chaw, chaw srak cha, chaw srak chaw, daw srak ta, it reads chaw cha chaw ta, which means grandchild disturbs grandfather. This word here or phrase reads daw srak daw, daw srak da, da, which means a lion walks. Okay, this first picture reads ta bai chow, which means grandfather carries grandchild. The second picture reads thaw, which means lion. And the third picture reads khaw, which means to shave. Let's look at this in more detail. Once again, these are the two vowels that we saw earlier. Okay, they are srak and srak. Okay, notice the dotted circle, okay, are located inside these vowels. Okay, this is where the consonants are located when they are combined with these vowels. Okay, also the sound of these vowels, ow and ow, are used with the first series consonant. Okay, now let's practice saying these words by saying the consonant, the vowels, and then the word. Okay, khaw srak khaw, khaw srak khaw, thaw srak thaw. Let's look at the next sets. Chaw srak chaw, chaw srak chaw, thaw srak thaw, khaw srak khaw, thaw srak thaw, daw srak daw. Okay. Okay. Bhaw srak bhaw, phaw srak phaw, chaw srak chaw. So here is a list of all the consonants that we have learned so far with the two vowels that we learned from this lesson. Okay, so in this section we are saying the consonant, the sound of the vowels, and then the word. Okay, here we go. Start with khaw. Khaw, khaw ao khaw, khaw ao khaw. Khaw, khaw ao khaw, khaw ao khaw. Thaw, thaw ao thaw, thaw ao thaw. Chaw, chaw ao chaw, chaw ao chaw. Chaw, chaw ao chaw, chaw ao chaw. Daw, daw ao daw, daw ao daw. Thaw, thaw ao thaw, thaw ao thaw. Thaw, thaw ao thaw, thaw ao thaw. Bhaw, bhaw ao bhaw, bhaw ao bhaw. And phaw, phaw ao phaw, phaw ao phaw. Okay, so here are the phrases that we saw. Ta thai chow, cháu, cha, chào tá, tao đá, ta, bay chào. Okay, so let's sound these phrases. Okay, tỏ á tá, thọ ái thái, cho áo chào. So tá thái chào. Cho áo chào, cho á chá, cho áo chào, tỏ á tá, cháu, cha, chào tá. Tỏ áo táo, đỏ áo đờ, táo đờ. Tỏ á tá, bỏ ấy bấy, cho áo chào, tá, bay chào. Okay, let's read these phrases again. Tá thái cháu, cháu cha chào tá, tao đá, tá bay chào. Okay, now let's go back and read these words without sounding them. Okay, so có, cáo, cậu, khó, khảo, khâu, tó, táo, tàu, chó, cháu, cháu, chó, cháu, cháu, đó, đáo, đau, thó, tháo, thau, thó, tháo, thau, bó, báo, bao, phó, pháo, phao, tá, thái, cháu, cháu, cha, chào tá, táo đá, tá, bay chào. Now let's look at some of the vocabularies in this lesson. Okay, we saw the word khaw, which means to shave, to take advantage of, or cheat. Okay, khaw means pants or trouser. Thaw means lion. Chaw means thief, robber, or burglar. Thaw means a unit of dry measurement equal to about 1/2 of a bushel. Dao means to burn or brand. Bhaw means to suck. Chow is raw or undercooked. Jiao means grandchild. Cha chow means to disturb, bother, or annoy. Okay, so here are those phrases again, or word sentence again. Jiao cha chao ta means grandchild disturb grandfather. Ta tai jiao, grandfather takes care of grandchild. Ta bai jiao, grandfather carries grandchild. Tao da, lions walk. Okay, so lesson 15. In Khmer we say Merian ti dapram. It's on page 18, and 18 in Khmer we say dapram bay. So page 18 in Khmer we say tumpo ti dapram bay. Now please take out a piece of paper and pencil and learn how to write the vowels srao and srao and combine them with all the consonants that we have learned so far. Okay, so start with srao. Srao is a combination of sra and sra. Okay, so we should know how to write sra by now. Okay, and then sra. Okay, now this is srao. Srao, similarly, combination of that but with a right prong. Okay, so srao, and then with this prongs going up. Okay, so this is srao and srao. Okay, so for these two vowels, the consonants are located inside. Okay, so start with khaw. Okay, now write khaw. Khaw, khaw srao khaw. Okay, now write kau, khaw srao kau. Okay, now with khaw. Okay, write cow, khaw srao cow. cow. Khaw srác áo cow. Okay. Now with thaw. Okay. Write thaw. Excuse me, write thaw. Khaw srác áo thaw. Okay. Now thaw. Khaw srác áo thaw. Okay. Now with chaw. Okay. Now write chaw. Okay. Now write chow. Khaw srác áo chow. Okay. Now with chaw. Okay. Write chow. Khaw srác áo chow. Okay. Now write chow. Chaw. Khaw srác áo chow. Okay. Now with daw. Write đào. Khaw srác áo đào. Okay. Now write đào. Khaw srác áo đào. Okay. Now with thaw, the first thaw. Okay, write thaw. Okay, now write thaw. Alright, now with the second thaw. Okay, now write thaw. Okay, now write thaw. Khaw srác áo thaw. Okay, now with bhaw. Okay, notice that srác áo and srác áo have a component that look just like srác. So when this happens, we have to change the shape of bhaw to this. Okay. This is bhaw. We changed that, right? Now we're gonna put bhaw out. Bhaw, right? Bhaw. Okay, so this is bhaw. Let's write it all at once. So I'm gonna write bhaw again. Bhaw again. Okay, so bhaw. Okay, so this is bhaw. Now let's write bhaw. Bhaw, bhaw. that's the A, that's bhaw, bhaw, and bhaw. Okay, so let's finally with paw. Okay, so write pow. Okay, now pow. All right, so your assignment is to say sra'ao, write it 10 times, and sra'ao, also write it 10 times. And also for each one of these words, write 2 times each, okay? Now let's review what we have learned. So lesson 15, in Khmer we say Merian Ti Dapram. It is on page 18. In Khmer we say Tempo Ti Dapram. In this lesson we have learned the next sets of vowels. They are sra'ao and sra'ao. And we have learned to combine these vowels with the consonant that we have learned so far, okay? Let's read these words and phrases, okay? Khaw, cow, thaw, chaw, chow, thaw, cow, thaw, đau, bhaw, phaw, chaw, ta, thái, chow, cháu, cha, chow, ta, tao, đá. This first picture reads ta bay cháu, which means grandfather carries grandchild. The second picture reads tao, which means lion. And the third picture here reads cow, which means to shave. Okay, so we have now completed lesson 15. Amalai. For more info or feedback, please visit Cambon School of San Francisco. Thanks.